everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my current skincare routine for dry skin over 35. I am by no means a skincare expert, but I am a skincare junkie, and this is what I'm finding that is the best combination currently right now. I do live in Michigan, so our weather is quite dry, and with my dry skin, I need extra help. Everyone has different thoughts and opinions on skincare. Some people like an all-in-one cream, and some people are a multi-step kind of person. I am a multi-step kind of person. So lots of things to go through, and I will try to make it as fast as possible. So if you're interested in some really great skincare, maybe something is missing from your skincare routine, maybe I found it for you. Stick around and let's get right into it. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is probably something that isn't necessary for everyone. It is spendy, but it was a birthday present for myself. So I have been using this for a few months now, and I can tell a difference when I use it and when I do not. And I am forever grateful that I did find this. So if you have a birthday coming or are able to treat yourself, I definitely think giving the Todd Sonic Eraser Pro a good chance. It might be something that's missing from your skincare routine. It might help, and it is just like getting a facial at home and you don't have to leave the house. And as a mom, every little pampering thing I can do for myself is kind of worth it. It does have 3 special technologies that it does help with your skincare. One is the Sonic Infusion technology. That one, it sends a bunch of pulses through your skin. It vibrates, but it kind of resembles the tapping motion that your esthetician will do when you do go into the spa for a facial. It also has thermal technology, where it does open up your pores so that the skincare you're putting on your face is able to actually sink into the skin. And it also has an ionic technology, where that one, it kind of pulsates some negative charges into your skin, where it attracts the positive charges from your skin and your skincare, and it just pulses right down deep into the epidermis, that all that good vitamin E's and the retinols, it can really penetrate deep into the skin. And I definitely recommend this if it's in your budget or you've got a birthday. I definitely recommend giving this a try. Because I do have quite dry skin, I have to stay away from cleansers that really foam up and lather a lot. That tends to strip my skin too much, and I need pollutants and dirt and makeup, residues. I need that stuff off my face. I need any moisture that's natural to my skin. I need that left there. So lately I have been obsessing over the number 7 Radiant Results Purifying Clay Cleanser. I got this at Ulta. I was after a serum, but they had a sale, so I thought, well, why not try this? So I gave this a shot. It is a clay cleanser. It is very, very thick. It does not lather, but it does give me a clean sensation. It's very soft, but it feels clean. Like there's nothing that feels like it's left over on my face. And there's 5 fluid ounces in here. I think this is gonna last me quite some time, so I'm really excited to keep using this. After I cleanse my face, I do go in with a toner, and currently right now I have been obsessing over the Clinique Clarifying Lotion number 2. I got this in a sample a few months ago, and I use this twice a day, and it looks like I've barely used any. And I used this for a good portion of last year, and I will repurchase this. When this runs out, I will get the bigger bottle. But this definitely helps to remove any dry flakiness that might be on my skin, and it definitely sets my face and preps it for all of the hydration steps that I'm about to put on it, which is what a toner should do for you. Ulta does carry this in a 6.7 ounce fluid ounce bottle, and it retails for $16. My next step, I go in with an essence, and something I've repurchased over and over again because I absolutely love it is the Moly, the Chok Green Tea Watery Essence. This has very, very few ingredients in it, so, and I feel like the fewer ingredients, the better, because I don't like a lot of chemicals on my face. And this one is just, it's a drink of hydration. Absolutely love it. I do get this on Amazon for $12. I think this is like the 4th or 5th bottle that I've repurchased, and I've been using this for years, but recently, within the last month, and because I have to mention it, I found the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. Oh my god. e.l.f. There's something about e.l.f., you guys. I'm totally obsessed with the hydration coconut mist for my makeup. This is amazing. This is a lot more. You have 5 fluid ounces in this, whereas the Tony Moly, you only have 1.86. And the e.l.f. is $10, and it's local. You can find, I found this at Ulta, and I'm sure anywhere else that carries the e.l.f. brand, Target, Walgreens, Walmart, wherever you shop your drugstore, I'm pretty sure the e.l.f. is there. This might be my new favorite. Both of them just melt into the skin. It is a very nice drink of hydration for my skin. It does dry down. It doesn't leave a film. Both of these are really great products. I had to pull the e.l.f. in. As I mentioned, it is new to my routine, but it might be my new favorite. You definitely need a good watery essence. After essence, I do like a serum. I was using the Derma E vitamin C serum, and while I do really enjoy that, I still have it. It was almost drying too much on my face. I do find that vitamin C serums, they kind of get tight on my skin, and with it, it's so dry right now. It just, I can't handle it. So I was on the hunt for a new serum. Oh my god, I have found something that I cannot live without. If I skip this step or just do half of my face, I can tell a difference. I notice a difference. And I did only get half size. This is a travel size. This is a number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. This was $17 at Ulta. Then the bigger size is $34, and you get 30 milliliters compared to the 15 that's in this one. But this has retinol ingredients. It's got some peptides in there. Also has hyaluronic acid and hibiscus, so it really covers some really good hydration, some wrinkle reduction or prevention, whichever. I kind of feel like it won't ever go away, but to prevent some deep set ones, I'm okay with that. You know, using skincare for that. I'm okay looking my age. I'm okay with my crinkles, but I definitely notice a firmness and a softness when I use this. And I did try just half of my face with and half without, and I went, oh my god, I don't want to touch this side because it's not so nice as this side. So if you're in the market for a serum, definitely try this one. This is a really great serum. My next step that I do is another kind of spendy product. This is a Clinique Repairwear Anti-Gravity Eye Cream. There is 0.5 ounces in this. This little guy is $45, but it lasts quite some time. I've had this for about 4 months now, and I kind of am halfway through it, so a little goes a really long way, and I really, really enjoy this. I think it really helps with the dryness and the puffiness and everything of underneath my eyes that I have a problem with. I find that it really helps, and I was using this for about 2 months before I got this thing, and when I got this thing and started using it with the eye cream, I definitely noticed a difference. It just could be because it does say that it will puff the under eye, and I definitely feel like it smoothed everything out, and I got that nice hydration and that beautiful under eye. So this is worth it. I'm sorry, this is a spendy item, yes, but you are worth it. You are worth feeling beautiful. My last step that I do is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto-Replenish Hydrator. This, I only get the 1 ounce, which is $19. I don't find that there's a difference in getting a bigger size as far as like cost per ounces that you do get. And this one lasts me quite some time, probably 4, 5, 6 months even. So the 1 ounce it does me fine as far as the size. This one has some aloe water in it, some caffeine, hyaluronic acid, so it definitely is going to sink into your skin really nice, help with hydration, and it really helps just lock in the moisture all day. And again, same as the serum, if I don't use this, I notice a difference. All of the makeup I've ever tried has always worn absolutely beautiful over this. I've never gotten any pilling. So for me, that tells me that this is actually going into my skin. It's not sitting anywhere, hanging out, waiting for something to cause problems with. And then, just to throw it in here, and it's kind of silly, but I'd never heard about it. So go to the vitamin shop kind of a bit for some things, and I found this Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. And I know a lip balm's a lip balm, a chapstick's a chapstick, however you would like to word it. But this stuff, oh my god, it is so good. It definitely tastes like peppermint. It has like that medicated kind of Blistex, I think, has kind of like a similar, but this is so good. It lasts all day. I've put this on at night, and in the morning my lips are still just as soft. It don't get any flakiness. This lasts a really, really good time, and especially with having dry skin and it gets so cold. All of my kids carry these. I carry these, and if I'm not wearing a lip product, this is what I'm wearing on my lips because it's just so good. It really, really protects my lips against the elements. And if I do ever find that I have a very, very dry day, or a lot of times if I wear a lipstick, or especially a liquid lipstick, I have to exfoliate my lips, and I typically just grab a little bit of sugar, like table sugar, and then some coconut oil, just kind of mix it on the top of my hand, and then I just do my own homemade thing. But I do like this Mamonde lip sleeping mask. I lather it on there, and in the morning it's still just as soft. This really helps, especially if you're someone that has trouble wearing lipstick because it dries you out. Try a lip mask, and I find that this one is really, really nice. I did pick this up at Ulta. And because I have sensitive skin, twice a week I do a little pampering. I do like the Philosophy, the Microdelivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. This is a very, very gentle micro exfoliant. I can use this, and it doesn't irritate anything. It doesn't make my face flush or rash out, or it doesn't take too much off. I've used others, and it almost damages my skin and gives it almost like a rug burn, but this does not. I do use this twice a week. I don't use it every day, although it says that you can. I don't feel like I need to. So I do this, typically I do this Monday and Thursday, and it really does help kind of give me a blank canvas for the next few days. And then the day after I do the exfoliant, I go in with a facial mask. Whichever one you prefer. Tony Moly's got some really great ones. I picked these ones up at Walmart for about $2.50. This is the So AE. This is a donkey milk skin gel facial mask. I really like this. I do go in with a sheet mask after I do an exfoliant the day after. Just, it's a habit, and I find that the serums and stuff in this sheet mask, they do really absorb better after I do an exfoliant. And then that is pretty much the same I do for nighttime and morning, although nighttime, typically I have makeup on. So I do a double cleanse. I first will take off my makeup with, it's a reusable rag, similar to the makeup eraser. Ulta brand has like a set of theirs. These are the Vintage Company. The Vintage Company, I'll leave it in the description box correctly, but it was a set of 3 for like $15. I love these. They're very gentle on the skin, and I find that it takes off probably 95% of my makeup just with water, And I like that I don't have to throw anything away. You know, when they get dirty, I just throw them in the laundry, and I'm not throwing anything away. I don't like makeup wipes, not so much as far as throwing it away, although it does bother me. I have to throw something away, you know, 2 or 3 per face of makeup. It does bother me to throw that much away, but they're very rough. I've tried them all. I've tried the very high-end ones. I've tried the drugstore ones. I've tried organic ones. I cannot find one that I like, and I had tried these, and I was like, this is it. This is my go-to. It doesn't bother me to do a little bit of extra laundry. It's a couple towels. It is fairly decent sized, so it doesn't bother me. And this doesn't strip the oils and kind of saves the planet at the same time. And I don't use the Clinique 72-hour hydration surge for moisturizer. That is the only step that I don't do. I was using a Tony Moly avocado, just an avocado cream for my nighttime face cream, and I ran out, and I kind of was like, oh no, I didn't research like what to buy next kind of thing, because I liked it, but I wasn't super happy with it, so I was kind of on the fence of exploring for something. So this is kind of new to me. This is the Lacura face cream. It's the Q10 night cream, the anti-wrinkle. There's 1.7 ounces, and it was like $4. I got this at Ulta. I was grocery shopping, and I've seen it I don't know how many times, and I was like, I'm out, and I'm on the hunt for a new one, so why not try it? It's $4. So we got it. But it's got the CoQ10 in it. It's got a retinol in it. It's got a ton of vitamins. It's got vitamin E and vitamin F and provitamin B5 in here. So it's got tons of hydration elements in here. So I was like, let's give it a try. And it's very, very thick. That is one thing I do really like about a night cream. I want it to be very, very thick. But at the same time, it just melts into the skin. And it does have... oh, what was it? It does have an avocado oil in it, and sometimes I'm hesitant on oils, especially in my skincare in the nighttime, because I do like the thicker formulas. I'm like, oh, it's going to be really heavy, but it melts into my skin by the time I put it on, and I ready everything else for bed. This is totally soaked into my skin, and I don't worry about it rubbing off on my sheets, on my pillow, so I can lay however I want, fully knowing that all of my skincare is in my skin. It's where it's supposed to be. It's not rubbing off where it shouldn't be. And it's so nice. And it does smell clean, like a citrusy clean. It does. It has a very nice smell. But this stuff, I will repurchase this. At this point, I've been using this since about Thanksgiving. I will repurchase this. I'm kind of curious on their day cream now, but I'm so in love with the Clinique. I keep repurchasing it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to switch that, but I'm curious to try the rest of the Aldi brand. And for $4, right here, this is a good item. So if you stuck around this long, thank you so much for hanging out for the day. Hopefully you may have picked up an item or two that you might be missing out of your skincare routine. Let me know your favorite products down below. Do you use any of the same stuff, or have you tried anything new that it just has amped up your beauty routine? Let me know in the comments down below. Definitely, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you've got any skincare junkie friends, send them this video, and so that maybe they can add to their skincare routine as well. See you in the next video. Bye!